So now let's discuss integration of the special form So now we will discuss integration of this form. Now, depending on the values of m, n and p, we'll have four cases. The first case is when p belongs to a natural number. In that case, what we do is that we'll expand using binomial theorem and then we'll integrate. The second case is that when p belongs to a negative integer. In that case, we write x as t to the power k, where k is the LCM of m and n. The third case is when m plus 1 by n is an integer and p belongs to a fraction. In that case, what we do is we'll write a plus bx to the power n, which is this, as t to the power k, where k is the denominator of the fraction p. The fourth case is when m plus 1 by n plus p is an integer and p belongs to a fraction. In that case, what we do is we write a plus bx to the power n as t to the power k into x to the power n, where k is again the denominator of the fraction p. Let's take two examples. The first example is, let's integrate x to the power minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 plus x to the power 2 by 3 to the power minus 1 dx. So this lies in this case 2, where your p belongs to a negative integer. Then what we need to do is that you replace x with t to the power k, where k is the LCM of m and n. Your m is minus 2 by 3, n is 2 by 3, so LCM is 3. So we'll replace x with t to the power 3. So your dx becomes 3t square dt. Now if you replace x with t, so you will get an integration of the form of 3t square dt, t square 1 plus t square. This gets cancelled. So your final integration is of the form of 3 dt 1 plus t square. This is a very simple integration whose answer is tan inverse t plus c. Now you replace t with x. Your x is t to the power 3, so your t is x to the power 1 by 3. So this is my final solution. Now let's take another example. Let's integrate so we have x to the power minus 2 by 3 multiplied with 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3 to the power half. Here you can see that your p, which is half, is a fraction, and your m plus 1 by n is an integer. Your m is minus 2 by 3, this plus 1 by 3 is an integer. Okay, so as I said, what you need to do is that you need to replace x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 as t to the power k, where k is the denominator of the fraction p. The denominator of the fraction p is 2, so we'll replace this with t square. So if I differentiate, I'll get 1 divided by 3x to the power 2 by 3 dx as 2t dt. So my integration gets converted into 6t square dt, which is 6 by 3 t cube plus c, or it's 2t cube plus c. Now I need to replace t with x. So my t is 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3 to the power half plus c. So this is my final solution. Okay. So I hope you understood how to solve questions where we have an integration of the form of x to the power m a plus b x to the power n to the power p dx. Now let's discuss a very important concept, that is reduction formulae.